Budgeting mistakes can be frustrating, but Excel is here to help you fix them. First, let's tackle the common issue of not tracking every expense. Those small daily purchases can really add up. Use this formula. If B2C2, over budget, within budget, to see if you're overspending. Next, if you're not allocating money for savings, create a savings tracker. Set a goal and use this formula. Bars B2B3 100 to track your progress. Don't forget to review your budget regularly. Create an Excel dashboard with charts to visualize your spending trends. Start by downloading a free expense tracker template, input your income and expenses, and use pivot tables to categorize your spending. Set up conditional formatting to highlight any overspending. Finally, automate your budget updates with formulas like IF and VLOOKUP. By reviewing your budget weekly, you'll stay on track and make necessary adjustments. With these tools, you can regain control of your finances and achieve your goals. Example if formula for overspending. Alert. If B2C2, over budget, within budget. Compares expenses, B2 to budget, C2. If the result shows over budget, adjust your spending immediately. Not allocating money for savings. A budget without a dedicated savings plan means you won't reach financial goals. How to fix it in Excel. Set up a savings tracker in Excel with a goal amount and progress tracking. Use GoalSeek to calculate how much you need to save each month. Example. Formula to track savings progress. B2, B3. 100. Calculates percentage of savings goal reached. Automatically allocate a percentage of your income to savings using formulas. Ignoring budget reviews and adjustments. A budget that isn't reviewed or updated quickly becomes ineffective. How to fix it in Excel. Create an Excel dashboard with graphs showing financial trends. Use data analysis tools to compare spending month by month. How to create a budget chart in Excel. Select your expense data. Go to Insert a Chart and choose a bar or pie chart. Label your categories for a clear financial overview. Pro tip: set a calendar reminder to review your budget weekly. Step-by-step guide to fixing your budget in Excel. Step 1. Download a free expense tracker Excel template. Choose a template with automated calculations and expense categories. Step 2. Input your income and expenses. Use Excel formulas to total income and expenses automatically. Step 3. Identify and fix budgeting mistakes. Use pivot tables to categorize spending. Set up conditional formatting to highlight overspending. Step 4. Adjust your budget and allocate for savings. Use SUMIF formulas to track spending per category. Step 5. Automate budget updates with Excel formulas. Use IF statements, lookup, and SUMIF for easy tracking. Step 6. Review your budget weekly and make adjustments. Use Excel charts and trend analysis tools to stay on track. Final thoughts. Fixing budgeting mistakes in Excel is simple and effective when you use the right formulas, expense trackers, and automation tools. By following these steps, you can regain control of your budget, prevent overspending, and achieve your financial goals. Download your free Excel expense tracker today and start budgeting smarter.